So, imagine you are on the plane like this, but you would prefer listening to this.
I believe I can fly.
Or how many times have you been on traffic and you heard this? And you could be hearing this. Or imagine you are in a crazy party and the DJ just put this music. And instead of that music, you want to listen to this.
Shake your ass. Show me what you're working with. Shake your ass. Watch yourself. Shake your ass.
And when you arrive at home, your daughter say, Daddy, I learned a new music.
And I will always love you.
And then you realize that you can hear this. That's right, guys. Today I'm gonna show you a product that is the Bose QUIETCOMFORT 35 version 2. This is the noise cancellation headphones. This is a really expensive headphones, but sound quality is outstanding, and they say that you will not hear any noise. And the great news is that these headphones are totally wireless, so you can hear them for long hours without having to charge them. Other thing that you must know about these headphones is that they have Google Assistant, so you can use it with your Android, change music with your voice, play music with your voice, everything you can do it with your voice. So enough talking about the product. You are gonna have all the links in my video description. You can see all the specs. If you want to buy it, you will have a link too, but let's check it out what we got inside of this box, because I'm really nervous to test it out. Let's check it out, the product. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, we have got the box here. Let's open it. Smells like new. Fresh. This is really fresh. So let me just check the box. You've received this box. As you can see, it's really awesome box. So let's open it and check it out what we got inside, people. Oh boy, and they are beautiful. So let's get it out. As you can see, they are really awesome, and you can use them on the street when you go out, when you are with your friends. It's really light. Looks like a feather. I mean, it's more or less 300 grams, more or less. I don't know, but for example, the earbuds, as you can see, are really soft. I mean, whoa, guys, I think this is the best headphones I have already tested on my channel. As you know, things that are premium usually are really great. Some things are not, but in this case I must say that the build quality is really awesome. Just check it out, this flexibility he has. It turns all the way the earbuds, as you can see, and you can do this with the earbuds. You will have, this is your, here you got the Bluetooth connection where to turn on the Bluetooth. You got the plus and minus button. I think this is to increase and decrease the volume. As you can see, you've got a cable here that you can connect to this part of the headphones and listen with the cable. You've got your USB connection on your right side of the earbud, as you can see down here, and you use this cable that comes with the headphones. As you can see it, there you go. This is the charger. Oh, okay, they say it's 20 hours per charge and 40 hours wired. So if you use the wired, it's 40 hours. If you do not use the wired, it's 20 hours of music. Okay guys, before testing the music, let's try put the headphones over the ears and see what happens. Oh my god. I'm speaking too loud because I cannot hear myself. Oh god. It's a really crazy sensation because you put the headphones over your ears and you cannot hear any sound. I had to listen to the music. Let's try the music now. Okay, as you can see, you connect by Bluetooth. You got here LE Bose QC35 2. Okay guys, we have already connected the phone with my headphones. Let's try the sound now because I'm crazy to listen to it. Woo! Guys, what can I say? It's crazy. The sound is crazy. I cannot hear myself. I'm speaking, but I cannot hear. I don't know if I'm speaking too loud, but oh my god, the low frequencies and the high frequencies are superb. Crazy. Guys, I have to remove one earbud because I cannot hear myself when I'm speaking. It's crazy. It's yeah, just put another music. I cannot express my feelings listening to this. I cannot hear myself, but the sound. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy. I'm just in love with these headphones. Okay guys, I have to stop it because what can I say about these headphones? Worth every penny that you're gonna spend on it. Believe me, the sound quality is crazy. The noise cancellation is completely nuts. You cannot hear yourself when you're speaking. So guys, if you want a really premium product and a really great product, it's just what I can say. What I can say more? Come on guys, just... This is my review, this is my product review, this is my unboxing, so I hope you would like the video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on my social networks, and as always, bye bye and see you soon! Oh my god!